Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will be discussing about Kubernetes Pod as well as how you can create, manage and scale your containerized application inside the pod. Kubernetes does not deploy the container in the worker node. For that you need a Kubernetes object called pod to deploy your application. Pod is a single instance of your application. Or you can say it is a smallest unit to deploy your application inside the Kubernetes. You can deploy one and more container inside the pod and it will share the same resources and same volumes. Now you can, in the two ways you can create a pod. You can create a pod using Kubectl command or YAML file. We can discuss both methods. Let's first create a pod using the YAML file. So let me open the terminal and I'm going to use nginx image for simplicity. So kubectl run, give the container name my nginx, give the image name nginx and click enter. Okay, let's wait. Okay, so let me first export the config file and let me check. Okay, great. So kubectl run my nginx image my nginx and enter. So now you can see here pod my nginx created. So let's quickly check. So kubectl get pods. So now here you can see my nginx pod is running, status is running. Here I am using the Lens software for better visualization. So let me open the Lens. And here you can see my nginx pod is deployed. Now quickly do the port forwarding. So let me open the terminal again. And for the port forwarding, kubectl port forward my port name and give the port, target port. Okay, now let me just copy this address and open the Chrome browser. And here you can see welcome to nginx. So nginx is a web server and we have successfully installed it and it is working. Correct? Now let's create a same pod using YAML file. So for that, let me open the Visual Studio. So here I am using the Visual Studio. Okay. And to create any Kubernetes object, you have 4 properties. First is API version. Second is kind. Third is metadata. And fourth is spec. Okay. Now here, after each column, you have to give a space and it's a key value pair. So API version, you can define f/v1. It's a Kubernetes API version name. Kind is pod. Metadata. So here metadata you can define 2 space again, 1, 2, name, again space, my nginx using YAML file. And inside the specs, again you have to give a 2 space, 1, 2, container. And inside the container, you have to define the properties. So 1, 2, name. Again, you have to, so colon, then again you have to space name and give the name my nginx YAML file. Image, you have to define the image nginx. Now, what else you require to define the port number? So, ports, one, two, and container port. Okay, either here you can either use a API version f/v1. So let me quickly check. Yes, f/v1. Okay, and pod my nginx. Okay, let me correct the spelling. Container port, and let me copy this and open the lens, create a resource and paste. Okay, so resource mapping not found, minus and okay, no mesh of kind pod in a apps.v1. Okay, sure. So no issues. Let me remove this and create. Now you can see we have created the pod using the YAML file. So let's quickly do the port forwarding. And here you can see, welcome to nginx. Nginx is a web server, is successfully installed and working. Okay, so in the both way, you can create a pod using the kubectl command, using the YAML file. Now here I am using the lens software. So I do not require to create a YAML file. So ready-made template is already available in the lens software. So if you can see, select the template and let's say pod. So now by default the templates are there. I need to just change the image name and name of the pod and it will automatically create. Okay, so this is all about the Kubernetes pod. If you have a doubt, then just comment below. And if you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.